Hi everyone, my name is Margarita and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are watching this video, it is most likely because you want to learn how to start trading in 2020. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to set up your demo account and link it to your MT4 so you can start trading in the live markets. But not only that, I'm also going to be showing you how to place a buy, a sell, and how to use some of the tools that the MT4 has to offer. So if you are interested and want to learn how to start trading, then I highly suggest that you keep on watching. So the first thing you're going to do, you're going to choose a broker, right? Essentially what a broker is, it's pretty much like choosing a bank, right? Where you're going to put your money in so you could start investing and trading, right? So me personally, I have two brokers that I personally use. I use KOT Forex and I also use LQD FX, right? So when you're searching for a broker, you want to look for a broker that has a good starting deposit, right? A good leverage, and a bunch of different currencies, stocks, cryptos, and indices. For me, I like KOT Forex because they have 55 currencies, 104 stocks, 31 cryptos, and 8 indices. And you're allowed to trade crypto on the weekend as well. So for me, this broker works for me. And also, if you want to check out LQDFX, I'll put it down below so you guys could check that out as well. Okay, so let's get started. So I'm going to start by signing up. Right, I'm going to input my information here. Give me 1 second. You're going to agree. You're going to sign up. Perfect. So now I have to check my email. Go in here. And it's going to send you an email that looks just like this. It's going to say, thank you for signing up for KOT Forex. And then you just have to click the complete sign up. All right, once you do that, you're going to fill all of this out and then you're going to create your account. That is it, right? So now what we're going to do, we're going to make an account. So we're going to go on the left-hand side where it says my account. And you're going to see here, it's going to state create an account. Click on that. It's going to give you a drop-down menu, and you're going to go to the bottom where it says KOT Forex MT4 Demo. You're going to do that. And then you're going to select your leverage. So that's up to you. Me personally, I like doing anywhere from 300 to 500. But for this video, I'm just going to do 500. And then you're going to select your balance there. I 100% recommend you to start with something realistic, right? Some people like to start their demo account with 90,000, 100,000. And what that does to you, creates horrible habits, right? Because you're really, or I don't know who's watching this, but unless you're going to start your account with 90,000, 100,000, 50,000, or whatever the case is, start with something realistic to what you're actually going to be putting into the market, right? Because we want to create good habits. We want to make sure that you are trading realistically, right? So I say anywhere from 1,000 to 3,000 sounds reasonable to me. So let me start with 1,000. I'm going to create an account. All right, that's done. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do, you're going to check your email for the confirmation email that KOT sent you. All right, now that we're here, you're going to look where it says demo account number, and you are just going to copy that, right? Then we're going to go to our app store, and we are going to put MT4 in the search box, and this will pop up. So you're going to click where it says MetaTrader 4. We're going to open that up, and it's going to bring you to this page right here. So this page right here, you're going to click where it says log into an existing account. And for the server, you're going to put KOT, and then KOT demo is going to pop up below. You're going to click on that. And then we're just going to plug in login information. Going to go back to my email and get the password. Go back. And put my password in, and we're going to sign in. Perfect. So this page right here is what you consider a watch list. You're going to have all your different currencies here, right? And if you want to add currencies, what you can do is you can click on that little plus sign and you could add currencies there. So let me add another currency. Let me add NAS 100 right there. Add it. Gonna go back. And now as you can see, it's on my watch list now, right? So let's just say I wanted to trade NAS 100. I'm going to click on it and trade chart and details is going to pop up. If I want to input a trade, if I want to buy or sell, I'm going to click where it says trade. And now this is going to pop up. So underneath NAS 100, you will see where it says market execution. So pretty much what that means that at this very moment, you are either going to buy it or sell it, right? So there's other ways of entering a trade, but I'm just showing you simply how to do market execution at that specific moment. So let's do that. And where you see 0.01, right? 0.01 is what we consider a micro lot, sorry. So because that's a micro lot, that is equivalent to 10 cents per pip, right? 10 cents per movement, 10 cents per point, however you want to like put it. But I just want to make it easy for you guys, right? So if I add, right, now you see 0.02, that's equivalent to 20 cents, 30 cents, 40 cents, 50, 60, and 70, right? And it goes all the way up to 90. And now if I go one more, that is equivalent 0.10. That's equivalent to $1 per movement, right? So if I wanted to enter into a trade, all I would have to do is either click on the sell by market or buy by market, right? So let's do buy by market. Right, we are in. So now we're in a trade, right? So pretty much from here, you could modify your trade. And here you'll be able to put a stop loss, a take profit, and pretty much what a stop loss is, it allows you to manage your risk, right? So it depends on how much you want to risk on this trade. You could set your stop loss to that, right? If I go back and I go where it says trade, you can enter again into a trade, right? Click it again. And now if I go to the bottom where it says chart, click on chart. And this is the chart that you are going to see, right? You'll see that you entered into a buy, right? Where my pink line is, that's where you entered, right? So you're in a buy right now. And from here, you could analyze your charts, you could mark them up and all that good stuff. So if you wanted to mark up your charts, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So you're going to go where you see like that little circle and triangle. I'm going to click on it right here. And from here, you can add all different types of objects, right? You have a vertical line, you have a horizontal line, you have a trend line. You even have Fibonacci retracements, Elliott waves, and shapes, right? So all you have to do is just click on one of them, right? Let me click where it says rectangle. And you'll see that it'll pop up for you. And then all you have to do is just place it wherever you want it to be placed. And that is it. Right? So that's how you use your objects, right? And then now another thing that I really like to do is I like to make sure my charts are pleasing to my eyes, right? Especially if I'm going to be trading. So then what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go where it says settings. And I'm going to go to the bottom where it says charts, right? And right now we were looking at candlesticks. You could change it to bar chart, right? I'll show you what that looks like. So now your candlesticks are no longer candlesticks, they're bars. And then you could also change it to the line chart. Right, so now it's a line chart. And I'll go back one more time. I like candlesticks, it's just easier for me to look at. And then you could change your colors as well. So if I go to colors, right, you could go to the custom ones where it's black on white, green on black. I don't really like those, so what I like to do is I like to make it my color. So for my foreground, I have it pink. For my grid, I have it silver. For my bar up, I have it black. And for my bar down, I have it black as well. And for my bear candle, I have it black. So you can see you can mess around with that. So let me just switch it up really quickly. So for my bar up, I'm going to make it also green. For my bar down, I have it black. For my bull, I have it green. Let me change that. I'll make it into that green. Bear candle, I'll make it pink. And let's take a look at how that looks. All right, so now you can see that I switched it up. So that's pretty much how you can maneuver and change your chart. You could just play around with it and make it how it's pleasing to you, right? So now if we go to trades, you'll see that we are in profit $49. And what we can do also, this is a nice little trick that I like to use, right? We could go where it says close, right? And if I want, I can close some profit out and still allow the trade to be open. So I'll go where it says negative 0.01 and I'll just close it out halfway. So it says here, close with profit of $20. Click on that. Boom. So now you could see I had a 0.10 and now I have a 0.05. So that's another way of closing out in profit. And then another thing I want to show you is how to place your stop loss once you're in profit, right? So because we're in a buy, our stop loss is always underneath, right? So I'm going to just place my stop loss here. So my black line is a stop loss. So what I'll do is I'll go to click on my black line, go to properties, click on where it says point and copy and paste that number. Select all, copy, done. Then I'll go back to my trade, click on it and go where it says modify my trade. Then I'll go where it says stop loss and I'll just literally copy and paste that number, paste it, modify, done. And as you can see, my stop loss is placed now. So that is pretty much it, guys. So if you enjoyed this video, definitely let me know in the comments below. Definitely like and subscribe and see you on the next one.